Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Gamma in Minecraft. First, you'll need to find your Minecraft installation folder. This is typically located in your App Data Roaming folder on Windows or in your Library/Application Support on Mac. Once you've found it, look for the options. TXT file. This small text file holds many of your game's settings. Use a simple text editor, like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, to open it up. We're going to make a quick, but impactful, change inside. Now that you have the options, TXT file open, scroll down until you find the line that starts with Gamma. It usually has a value like 1.0. To significantly brighten your game, change this number to something much higher. A popular choice for maximum visibility is 10.0. You can even go higher, like 100.0, for an even more dramatic effect, but 10.0 is usually sufficient for most players. This simple edit will make a huge difference. After you've adjusted the Gamma value, it's crucial to save the options. TXT file. Just go to File and then Save in your text editor. Don't forget this step, or your changes won't take effect. Once saved, you can close the text editor. The final step is to relaunch your Minecraft game. When it loads up, you should immediately notice a significant difference in brightness, especially in previously dark areas. Enjoy your newly illuminated world. So, what exactly does changing the Gamma do? Essentially, Gamma controls the overall brightness and contrast of your game's visuals. By increasing the Gamma value, you're telling Minecraft to render dark areas much brighter, almost as if they were fully lit. This is incredibly useful for exploring deep caves, navigating dense forests at night, or finding hidden details without needing torches everywhere. It gives you a clear advantage in low-light situations, making your gameplay experience much smoother and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.